We're also a very big market in Chinese, and so we look for partners in China to produce the new product also in China and can sell this also in China. The Chinese market is for us a big market for the future.
I mean, I'm the first time in China, and I had a lot of positive surprises. We are seeking globally for a strong and capable partner who wants to extend his global business using our technology.
The door is open for foreigners, and we must go through this door. We must work together. We must do more cooperation between the Chinese industries and the German industries.